Hi guys, welcome back to 10-Minute Maths. Right, so this week we're carrying on with adding, but we're going to be using a number line to count on. And I think this is one of the most efficient methods, so it's the quickest way to do adding. But before we go on to it, you need to make sure that you're confident when you're combining quantities together, so like when you're using the part-whole method or when you're using a tens frame. Right, so some of the words we're going to use today include add, equals, and the phrase counting on. Right, so to join in today, you're going to need a number line from 0 to 10. And the easiest thing to do for this is just to write the numbers 0 all the way up to 10 in a nice straight line. Then you're going to need a counter or an object that you can move along your line. And then you're also going to need a dice. Right, here we go with counting on. So, do you know what this game is at the top? Have you seen it before anywhere? Yeah, it's called a hopscotch. What you have to do, you have to throw a stone and then jump to the number that it landed on. So let's have a go. So, here we go, throw the rock. Oh, it's landed on what number? 6. Right, I'm going to use a number line now to help us count. A number line is great because, you know, we've got all of our numbers there from 0 to 10 in the right order. So let's count to 6. Here we go. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good job. Do you think you can count back to 0? Yeah, come on then. We've got 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Good job. Right, let's have another go. So we're going to throw the stone again. What do we land on? What's that? Yeah, number 10. Right, so let's do 10 jumps forward. Here we go. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Excellent. Should we count backwards? Yeah, let's get back to 0. Here we go. We've got 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Good job. Right, Betty and Barney are on some stepping stones. They're both starting on number 1. And we're going to play a little game. I'm going to roll the dice and they have to do that number of jumps forward to get to number 10. So here we go. How many jumps do they need to do? 2. Excellent. So 2 jumps forward. Right, Betty can go first. Here we go. 1, 2. What number she landed on? Number 3. Excellent. Now Barney's turn. Here we go. 1, 2. Good job. Right, let's roll the dice again and see what we get. Here we go. How many? Yeah, 4. So Betty is going to do 4 jumps forward. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent. She's landed on number 7. Right, now Barney's turn. Here we go. So 4 jumps forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. What's happened there? How are they on different numbers? Shouldn't they be on the same number? I wonder. Right, let's have a look at what they did, but using a number line. So they both started on 3. So I've got my counter on number 3. And then they had to do 4 jumps forward. So let's try. Here we go. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, so it should be number 7. So let's see what Barney did. All right. So he did this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Did you see what he did wrong? Yeah, do you know, you have to jump forward first. Barney jumped on the same number, but you have to jump forward first. So I'll show you what to do. You ready? So we start on 3, we jump forward, we go 1, 2, 3, 4. So we jump forward first. See if you can remember that. Right, let's have a practice now at counting on 1 and adding 1 more. So, on your number line, can you put a counter on number 5, like mine? Have you done that? Good. Then, to add 1, we need to do 1 jump forward. So like this, 1 jump forward, and what do we land on? Number 6. Can you do that on yours? So 1 jump forward, and we land on 6. Right, let's have another go. So, put your counter on number 8. Have you done that? Right, can you add 1? What do you have to do? Show me. What number did you land on? Right, let's check. So 1 jump forward, we land on number 9. Did you get that? Good job. Right, let's have 1 more go. Put your counter on number 2. Right, now, can you add 1? Off you go. What did you land on? Let's have a look. Number 3. Did you get 3? Awesome, well done. Right, now let's try some more addition. So I'm going to start on number 2 and I'm going to make a number sentence. So I'm going to put number 2 up on my board. Then I'm going to roll a dice to see how many I need to add to number 2. So here we go. How many do I need to add? Yeah, 4. So my number sentence will say 2 add 4 equals. So my counter's on number 2. I need to do 4 jumps forward. So you ready? Let's do this one together. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. And what did I land on? Yeah, 6. So my answer is 6. 2 add 4 equals 6. Let's have another go. So I'm going to put my counter back on number 2. And I'm going to roll the dice again. How many did we get? Good, 3. So what do I need to do? Yeah, we need to add 3. And what do we need to do on our number line? Yeah, 3 jumps forward. Off you go. Can you do it? What did you land on? Right, I'm going to have a go now. You ready? I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. Is that right? No. What do you mean? What did I do wrong? Oh, I must jump forward first. Sorry, I'm glad you're here. I'll remember that. So let's have another go. So I'm going to jump forward first. Here we go. So I'm going to add 3. 1, 2, 3. Is that right? Oh, excellent. So the answer is 5. 2 add 3 equals 5. Oh, thank you. Right, so here we go on to our challenge. So, start on a number between 0 and 4. So 0, 1, 2, 3 or 4. Then you need to roll the dice to see how many you need to add by counting on. So can you write it as a number sentence as well? So like I did, you could write 2 add 3 equals 5. But have a go at that one. Then when you finish that, here's your greater depth challenge. So, starting on the number 3, how many jumps do you need to do to get to the answers 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10? And you can see I've written them out as number sentences. So like 3 add something equals 4. So you need to find out what you need to add to 3 to get to 4. Right, so have a good go at those challenges and see if you can find out what those missing numbers are in the number sentence on your greater depth challenge. Right, that's all we've got time for, guys, but make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.